If you want to learn how to use ChatGPT to create the perfect and the best YouTube script, watch this video till the end. I got you covered. I'm gonna go through every single step. It's gonna blow you away. And I'm Ramon Polo from Remotable. Let's get to it. I'm making this video at nighttime, but who cares, right? Let's get to it. This is the important thing. Now, this is a common mistake, okay? You might heard and watch some videos where they show you how to create these YouTube scripts that are a big mistake, okay? You shouldn't start doing this, okay? Don't do this. Like, you can see a lot of tutorials out there that will tell you to write a prompt that says, write me a YouTube video script about, quote unquote. So let's say you want to do a YouTube script about how to make a Barbie house, for example. This is not what you should be doing, okay? I'm going to show you a better way, way better way to do this, because you want to create a video that is going to be high quality. You want to talk about something that people want to learn about and something that they want to watch. So how are we going to do that? We're going to model after already successful YouTube videos about how to make a Barbie house, right? And this can be about anything, okay? This can be about anything. This is just a silly example. How to tie a tie, how to draw, how to make a Barbie dress, how to make a Barbie dress, for example, too. I mean, you can do so many niches, so many different videos. So for this, you're gonna come here to Glasp, okay? This is glasp.co. I'm gonna move this a little bit, address rather, glasp.co/YouTube summary, rather. You can just check it out pretty quick and download it. It's a free cool Chrome extension that you can download, install on Chrome or install on Safari. Works for both. Pretty cool. This is gonna get the summary and the transcript of the videos and that you select on YouTube. So for example, right here, let's go to how to make a Barbie dress. Let's say that you wanna make a video about how to make a Barbie dress. So we're gonna check out the ones that are getting the most amount of traction and views. So for example, this one, Bridals Fashion, and this one is got 38 million views, but I don't think this is very related to Barbie dress. Imagine if making the Barbie movie pink checkered dress. Okay, this could be good. Open link in a new tab, you can do that. DIY doll clothes. There's here a full playlist about Barbie. Right here, how to make patterns. Let's see this shoe, for example, and you can select as many as you like, at least like maybe three or four. 2 is fine too, I think. 28 fresh hacks for your Barbie. So this is that there's no much competition here. So if you wanna make a video about this, there's not many videos and you can just start doing this. And these are also short videos, they're shorts. And let's see this playlist right here where you can see different videos. All right, so here is one about pajama sets for Barbie. And I have this one. This is a short one, so I'm not gonna do this one. You can still use it, but not for this case. We wanna assume that you wanna do a longer video. So there you go. Here have the 2 videos. You can get more. So for some purposes, we're gonna just do these 2. And this one, for example, now when you see here transcript and summary, you're gonna click here where it says View AI Summary. You're gonna come here and now ChatGPT, because of that Glasp plugin or Chrome extension, is gonna now create a really cool transcript. It's gonna give you the transcript of the video and it's gonna give you a summary as well. And now you're gonna do the same thing for the other video. You're gonna come down here, the Glasp icon, transcript and summary. You're gonna come here to View AI Summary, and now you're gonna have these 2 transcripts and summaries for these 2 videos. All right, so this one, for example, this video, for example, has no voice or nothing. It's just music. So what you can do is just ignore it and grab another one. I grab another YouTube video that has voice. Make sure it has somebody talking. And you just come again and grab the transcript and the summary for this particular video. And ta-da, like magic. And that's it. Now you have 2 of these. Okay, you can grab more if you like. Now let's close this. And now what you're gonna do is come to another tab of ChatGPT, another chat, and this is just a guide of a prompt that you can use. I mean, I just came up with it, honestly, but you can use something along the lines of this. Let's create an awesome YouTube video script that gets a lot of views and watch time about how to make a Barbie dress. In this case, please use these scripts I'm pasting below. And I should say these transcripts and summaries. I'm pasting below as a reference to create something similar, but better. This is a guideline, okay? You can type something similar. It doesn't have to be something exact like this. ChatGPT is pretty smart, and now that's it. So now what you can do, you're gonna grab the transcript right here of the video. I'm gonna paste it right here, right down below. And now you're gonna do the same thing with the other one. And I'm gonna include it right here. Okay, and now what it's gonna do is gonna do exactly what we're asking. It's gonna now read these transcripts, and it's gonna understand how they are. It's gonna understand the structure of these transcripts, and based on that, it's gonna give you a transcript and a script that you can follow, that you can have a big chance to beat these very popular videos that are getting, I think they were getting millions of views, in some cases or hundreds of thousands of views. So that way you can compete with them by creating something like that. So you can see, it's pretty cool. Look at that, it gives you the title, it gives you the description, ultimate guide, making stunning Barbie doll dresses from scratch. The description in this video will dive into the world of DIY Barbie dressmaking, revealing expert techniques, blah, blah. Now opening music, and then the host, you can be there talking. I mean, it gives you every step right here. Got to host picking up a vibrant fabric. This is pretty cool if you ask me. Gives you the whole script and everything. And if you don't like something, you can tweak it. You can say, you can adjust it or something. And it's pretty cool. Maybe say, make it longer or make it shorter or whatever. Make it longer or shorter, whatever you like. And now it's gonna make it longer for you. How cool is that? Now there's many ways to use ChatGPT for YouTube. If you wanna be a very successful YouTuber, I have a great training for you right down below on the link in the description right below. You can register to a free training I put together. It's a free guide and everything based on very advanced knowledge about YouTube marketing, how to grow your YouTube channel. You don't have to show your face, nothing. You can be faceless, showing your face. Like for example, in this channel, showing my face, but I also have channels where I don't show my face. You can do the same thing. Just here right below, and I will show you more things about how to use ChatGPT and AI for YouTube marketing, so you can have a profitable YouTube business and you can do whatever you like. Also, how to monetize YouTube if you haven't monetized it yet, or if you want to monetize it even more as well. Many cool things right below. You can register, it's completely free. And also like this video and subscribe to this channel if you like this video and you want to learn more about YouTube marketing and ChatGPT. I love ChatGPT and AI. Every time I learn more and more and I teach more and more about this. And also check out this video right here that YouTube is recommending you. You can watch that as well. Peace.